There will be FS Financial Accounting Chapter 10 Partnership Goodwill. This time we talk about the goodwill adjustment on the admission and retirement of partnership, and this one is the very important topic in the goodwill, and it's always appear in the public exam question. Therefore, you need to very focus on this topic on this work example. And we'll talk about the work example number 5. And for this work example, we have originally we have 3 partners, M and O. And these 3 persons shared equally the profit and loss. And then on 1st of January, O retired. This one retired. And P was admitted to the partnership. Okay, and then we have a new one, P. And then they share the new profit and loss sharing ratio, M and P. M and P is a new one, that's why I highlighted M and P. 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Okay, and for the goodwill, there's no changes, still the same. Which is equal to 9,000. So what would we like to do is to take a look of the capital account changes and also the general entry. Okay, so of course we will focus on the no goodwill account approaches. Okay, we start now. Remind one more time, O retired on 1st of 2086, O retired. And for October of 2286, P admitted. And let's see for if O account not exceeds, and then the contribution of P. How much P contribution? Take here, look here. P contribute 25,000. Okay, and this 25,000 in for part B. Okay, question part B. Include payment of goodwill. But for part C, you need to pay additional share of goodwill. So this is the 2 different approach, and we show you in the capital account. Okay, so first we share the goodwill first by the old ratio 9,000. We share by 3,000 each. And then for the 9,000 remain unchanged. Therefore, we share divided by 4, and then each portion we have 2250, 4500, and 2250, and this is the new one. Of course, we need to take a look of the changes, overall changes, and for the overall changes, remind you one more time for the goodwill overall changes. The new one, not minus the old one. So you got negative 7,500 for M. For N will be positive 1,500, and for O, because it's retired and I treat as 0, and then negative 3,000, and then last for P, this 2,250 minus 0 here, and then you got positive 2,250. Okay, based on this calculation, and then we can start our entry in the capital account. Okay, we have the balance brought down first, of course, and for the contribution of the MN original balance brought down, you can refer to the question. 33,000 for N, 26,000, and for O is 48,000. Okay. And next one is the goodwill adjustment, that our focus. And this one, remind you one more time, if this is negative, then we will credit it. And for O, also credit it. And then for M, for N, debit it, and for P, also debit it. Okay, and next one we will deal with the O retire. If O retire, then we need to pay all the capitals come from O to the O himself. Therefore, we need to pay the outbound from the bank. Therefore, we will credit the bank and then debit the capital account. And let's see O, the total balance will be 40,000 plus 3,000. Therefore, payback O is 51,000. This is what we pay back to O. Remember, for this one amount is the O retirement, and then we will pay him back 51,000. Okay, next one we deal with O retire, and then we deal with P admitted. And P, he will contribute for 25,000. And for B situation, for B, because this 25,000 include the goodwill, this is the goodwill shared by P, therefore he don't need to pay additional money. And then for these cases, you can figure out the balance carried out. I'm talking about this one is part B. Okay, part B. And for the balance carried out of M will be 33,700. And for N will be 24500. And for O here is 5100. And no balance carried out, okay, because all this are paid back to O. And for P 2500, and then this one become 22750. Okay, and this will be for part B. Okay, part B will work like this. And however, if I change it to part C, remember this is part B, okay? And if I change it to part C, what will be the changes? pay additional share of goodwill. Then the balance carried down of only P will change. Why the P balance carried down will change? Let's see. Because for P he will pay the additional goodwill share. That means this amount $2,250. Therefore, its capital remain in the partnership will be 25,000. Okay, and this is the major changes that related to part C, additional share of goodwill from P. Okay. So this is for work example number 5, and please be aware of the approaches that no goodwill account maintain, and we will share the goodwill by the O ratio. That means 3 person exists with W12O, and the next one we will share the new profit sharing ratio under the new partner admitted, and I calculate the changes. And it's shown in the capital account. And then remember, if it's all retired, we need to pay it back. This is the all retired payment. And beware of the question whether the new admitted partner P, whether he will pay additional money for the share of goodwill or no additional payment. Well, this is for example number 5.